An elderly man in Tonga lives close to the sea, surrounded by coconut trees, breadfruit trees, and animals. Since ancient times, people have used signs from nature as traditional knowledge to predict the weather. The man says nature still teaches people many things to help them live better. Tonga Broadcasting Commission visit his home in the Sopu area of Nuku'alofa to hear about the traditional knowledge he carries.
Can you tell us about how nature plays into the traditional knowledge that the Tongans have?
According to the farming, when the Penana family, Penana, I go hope I go shine go pata. When the can go to Boga Huli or Tobanov December. But tu bagi huli ko moe o mapelu wau ai ko ne mapelu ko ia o ne talo mai e matangi malo e hoko mai ko taimi e hoko mai ka ko ne talateu aware ko ne talo mai prepare there should be a strong wind happen o ka pau e mapelu pe he ai bea ala I fusi ai ko ne fitu ko e si tu ga mapelu fitu ha me matangi fitu ko ha ga ko matangi hoko mai ki he e ngowe o lava ke tala he lai niu se ke lai niu no o be tau sia tato ke lai niu ia ku nau whakatahata nau tai mai na to hui fas kau ma pago o ke no na me fai ta ha fai a o ma o me ko ia ke o ke wat o lava he a kau o tala tau fok mai he mon manu hage be ko lo na tau ka mata nai mo pi e ne tau lalo me ne tau toi te ka wai mo puaka ka pau e pe ni be ka mo me to le mo ta pa ka ai ko le tu ta mili o kulo e me o kulo e pressure ai pa mata le ko ane hu ai pau ke ki alta mak te to ki o si be to ki ke pa mata le ka lava ke tala he whakapoa ka e alta mak e uala e hako pe ko whakamoa tau hoko mai pe ke whakamanu ka pau e pepe olu pe pau ka whia vite mo whakatonga I ap whakamoa ku mohe unama toi mahida ko pon e matang malo ulawa ke te ako me whakamoa ulawa ke te ako me he whakapoa ka pe ko mon mane ta whangkuri o kulawa whangkuri ke ne tala mai e takai matangi o fefe o se peho e takange kuri ka ke ia tae hao ma mea ai ko kuri o mohe hanga ke hao koe matangi pa bebe takai hake matangi ke o mohe kuri ngulono tangata ui ko he kuhao e matangi o tau mai whako ma puleo hanga ke o pehe whangkuri pe I alat koe ki he whangakuri he ne tangi koe ni o kui koe tangi whakaputu o lo me whangakuri a tangi pe whakalolongo pe he whiawhi ma hoa tā pe ni ka koe tangi koe he tua taha po uri ka pate mo wha o whakawhanonga tanga whangakuri o tangi whakawhasi mai koe kuri a ulauralo koe kuri a te noa pa ue a kuri a kano koe tangi koe a koe putu una tala mai na to e tau putu whakatoka au te tau tano he traditional o alu he mo ui o alu ake mate ta koe tano koe tatang koe ai te whakawau me ka mai tang mai whakakuri me he koe putu e hok me whitu ka whitu koe tang me whakakuri pe mahak mong bongi pa te whekum ke whitu koe siai te puti pe ta ola lewa ki he mea au koe manu koe lofa ai ko lofa o koe api he ko lofa tan ko ia ko lofa tan ta ko holme ko asi lofa ko mani ko ke kawi siu ka ke na ke alu ku mane me akai ka ko manu ku kapakaula pe ku lava be o hifo ilal al ke olu a ke un no kapaula pe hifo pe haka pe a ko hifo ka koe de tango ase lofa koe alu koe whakamana puna me he ngahi whanua mo unga mo nau ngahi punu ngā mo mea ku nau alo siu, nau alu ki e wawapa, nau alu ke ngahi akau. Pea kai taimu ase lo whai e hoka hamatang, pa kupuna hau belo whai he talitari ngahi punu ngā mo whitu e whoki mai kai ngahi siu. Pa nanga lewa bea o hofi agi nau tō. Kai taimu tau, o kuwhiwa lo whai he talitari hoko he ngahi ngutu anau ma mea pa takai maa mai ke ngahi motu. Pea koe ni hau maulalo koe alofa, e mahina lewa koe matangi kua ofi mai. Koe tala he maulunga koe alofa, ai taim koe e oku, distance koe matangi koe e ni hau. Mama koe matangi koe e ni hau kakupau ki hau.
Can you tell us about the Tongan calendar, especially in its use of the moon phases? I understand the Tongan calendar is sometimes still used today, especially for agriculture.
Okay. We start from the moon phases. The first one in from the new moon to the half, we have to plant the leaves plant, like cabbages and lettuce and something like that. And from the half moon to the full moon, we ought to plant the fruit crops, like coconut, breadfruit, avocado.
Does this include mango trees?
Yeah, mango trees, and down to tomatoes and corn.
Right.
Every fruit we must plant it away between half moon and full moon. From the full moon to the last quarter, we should plant the root, root crops, like tapioca, taro, and other things. And from the last quarter to the new moon, there's no need to plant anything. If we plant, it should grow, but no use. Waste of the time. That time we have to hoeing. It's very easy for the plants or for the leaves to die.
How did you learn about traditional knowledge?
I have learned a lot from my father and our ancestors, my grandfather. According to our traditional, we start learning from practical. We also follow, men and women follow our grandmother and grandfather to going to fishing, or went out fishing, or went out farming.
Do you think that traditional knowledge still works today?
Yeah, it's still working, but only those people that they can follow the traditional, they got rich. Their farmers yield more production rather than the other people. They did the farming in the scientist way or the new ways of farming.